SNKRS app gave us a second chance on a whole bunch of Nike Dunks. My account, my backup account, wifey account. Yeah, I took about 185 minutes. But my Nike by You Dunks, they pulled up today. Sir. Shout out to Nike, man, for letting us get a chance to customize our own Nike Dunks. Super dope. It ain't like it's new. I know this has been happening for years. This is the first time I decided to customize a sneaker in the Nike ID, now called Nike by You, program. I did do some slides on Nike and Adidas, but sneakers, I never really went that far besides NBA 2K. So, let's go further into the shoe I decided to design. First off, boom. I want to talk about this box. This box is super dope. I mean, I know it's only white, but for it to say Nike by You, have your customized name there, the picture of the sneaker you designed, Yeezy style, Jordan 11 style, pull out tab, super dope. Even the tissue paper is like white and black, so you know it's basically saying this is your canvas. You do what you want to do on it. Matter of fact, let me pull this out. You know what I mean? Dope, 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 man. Shout out to Nike for that. Even though y'all buffooned us on the Nike sneakers second chance dunks. I don't want to get into a rant. Back to the box. Nike by You. All the Nike logos down there. Yeah, man. Super dope. Now let's get into the sneaker. Yes, sir. Now, first of all, this sneaker, if you follow the channel, you already know what I'm about to say. But this sneaker was inspired by one of my heroes, late, great Kobe Bryant. And Nike let us customize these sneakers, I want to say about a month ago, but then it was a trick again. The site crashed. But the other day, out of the blue, bing, it was back. My design still was there, so all I had to do was click 2 buttons and check out. So when I say inspired by Kobe Bryant, y'all already know. I have the nice gold Laker yellow there. Purple inside. I kept it basic, yellow swoosh to match the outer. Purple inside. Purple shoestrings to match. Purple tongue. Classic Nike tag there. And I just put Nike back there, man. Black bottom. But the material is silly, man. The canary suede on this material is dunk approved, in my opinion. The leather, I mean, it's not shattered back, boy. But it does have some tumbleness to it, as you can see. Dope. I mean, the materials is like A1. Nike could have cheated us on the materials, but it's A1, man. The shoestrings is kind of flimsy. I'm not sure if they let me pick what kind of shoestrings, but I guess this is the regular dunk material shoestrings. I'm not sure. Let me check my veneers. So yeah, I just pulled the veneers out, and it is a bit of a difference in the shoestrings. The veneers have a little softer shoestring. This looks more of a rope shoestring, as like not totally, but more ropey, like the Cactus Jack dunks. And by the way, I was able to secure the Travis Scott 6s today on the sneakers app. So this is why I'm not really beefing about the fake they did with us with the dunks the other day. Now back to the video. Yeah, it is a bit of a difference in the shoestrings here. I had to go with the veneers to check because the veneers is the only Nike dunk in my collection. All the other ones are SB. So that's why I put those side by side. So shout out to Nike, man, for letting us just customize our own dunks, being that we can't win none on sneakers app. It's almost like you gotta definitely write the StockX a go. You can't win one on sneakers app. It's super crazy, man. But in that comment section below, let me know if y'all was able to customize your own dunks. Let me know what colorway you did. I seen a lot of them. Even after I purchased the ones I customized, J23 was sending out a whole bunch of designs. Somebody designed the 7-Elevens. I was gonna buy them, but once I went back in, it was sold out. But the 7-Eleven ones is ones that I definitely would have brought. But like I told you, this is for the late great Kobe Bryant. So these are probably go on that spinning display up there and just sit there. Not sure if I'm gonna wear them. Do have a million Laker jerseys, but these are special to me, man. In that comment section below, again, let me know if y'all was able to customize it. Send me your ideas down there, what y'all was thinking, what did y'all cop. I appreciate everybody who watches this video, man. Like, comment, subscribe. You don't know what it means to me. I do this for the love, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes, man. Everybody get rich.